Paul, why are we going up to the roof?
Just trust me.
This is beautiful.
You like it?
Yes.
I used to live over there. See the place with a lot of lights. My mother and father used to always tell me that one day I'll be a hotel manager.
I hear we must pay for everything. How much for this?
A kiss.
A good man, Paul Rusesabagina.
I have a confession. When we met...
In Wengeri?
Yes. When you worked as a nurse.
Yes.
I had you transferred to Kigali.
What?
I bribed the Minister of Health to have you transferred to Kigali.
Why?
To be closer. So that I could marry you.
What was the bribe? How much am I worth to you?
It was substantial.
Tell me what it was.
A car.
What sort of a car?
What does it matter?
I want to know.
A Volkswagen.
A Volkswagen. I hope it was a new Volkswagen.
We've had a good life, you and I. I thank God every day for the time we've had. We have to have a plan.
A plan?
Our children cannot see us die first. If the militia come, you must come up here as quick as you can.
I don't want...
You must come up here, Tatiana.
I don't like you to talk like this.
We have to. If I do not make it, you must take all our children by the hand. And you must jump.
What are you saying? I could never...
You have to, Tatiana. The machete is no way to die. There's no way to die.
I cannot...
You have to promise me you will do it.
I cannot do this, Paul.
You have to.
I cannot do
Promise
this.
me, Tatiana. Please, Tatiana. Please, Tatiana. Yes. Sorry. I love you.